Electricity. Electricity is a form of energy. There are two types of electricity. They are static electricity and current electricity. If we comb our hair quickly, the static electricity will produce on it. Current electricity is very important to us. We use it in houses, offices and factories. Current electricity is generated or made at a power station. It comes to our houses through thick wires. Switch. We use electricity with the help of a switch. A switch is a device used to stop or continue the flow of electricity. The plug is a plastic device with metal pins that fit into holes in a socket. A socket is an electric device with holes. We fit a plug into the holes. Conductors and insulators. Some materials let electricity pass through them easily. These materials are called conductors. Many metals such as copper and iron are conductors. The parts of electrical objects that need to let electricity pass through are always made of metal. Some materials do not allow the electricity to pass through them. These materials are called insulators. Examples are plastic, wood, rubber. They are used to cover materials that carry electricity.